Okay, salutations, World Wide Web, large subscribers, YouTubers, 100 Dayze Marketing Systems Team Members, guys. Okay, guys. In today's video, we're going to move right into the $100 Days Marketing Systems video 2, where we're going to be talking about the second income stream that I'm actually building into the $100 Days Marketing System. Now, before we get into the second income stream, let's talk a little bit more about the instant recall, guys, because this instant recall is really catching on, guys. I'm actually starting to see it in a lot of places that I'm not normally at or in on online, guys, and so it's really picking up momentum. A lot of people are really excited about it, and so before we get into income stream number 2 inside of the $100 Days Marketing System, let's revisit the instant recall, guys. And let me run over here and show you guys exactly why you should be excited, why you should be locking into an actual position by downloading the free app, and what's got me so excited about it. So number one, you guys know you'll be getting a website exactly like the one you're looking at right now. And I built everything into the actual website for you to go out and start sharing instant recall. Okay, so it's all done for you guys with everything that pertains to you and your actual affiliate links and codes on the site. We built all kinds of traffic strategies, resources that you can use inside of the page as well. There's just no reason why you shouldn't be actually downloading that app, guys, and getting inside the instant recall, that free download. Now, inside of the $100 Days Marketing System, guys, today's video, we're going to be talking about a second income stream. But let's talk a little teeny bit about the $100 Days Marketing System and why I'm really super pumped up and excited about it. One of the best ways to generate income working from home, guys, is by having a digital and or an affiliate marketing component or business, right? And one of the best ways to do it really fast is by starting with what I call a good high converting offer. Okay, a good high converting offer, because when you have a good high converting offer, you can take that good high converting offer and you can make it a great irresistible offer, right? An offer that's literally almost impossible for your potential prospects to say no to, guys. Now, instant recall is such an offer, guys. It's already a good offer, right? It's already a good high converting offer. But what we're going to do inside the $100 Days Marketing System is we're going to take that, add some flavor to it, right? And we're going to make it an irresistible offer. And why do you want to do that? Because when you have an irresistible offer, guys, you can build yourself a super simple, easy to follow sales funnel around it, and then slam nonstop scalable traffic into the funnel. And then you got yourself an automated marketing system / sales funnel, right? I'm going to say this, guys, before we move on to the actual video inside. A well-designed automated marketing system sales funnel, it never sleeps. That means they can make money for you 7 days a week. That's right, guys, even on Sunday. So now, as you go through most sales systems and funnels, when they're properly designed, what you will see throughout those sales systems and funnels are upsells and downsells, right? And the reason for that is the sales funnel, it usually, when it's built the right way, has multiple income streams tied into it. The $100 Marketing System is no different, guys. What I've done is I've taken 3 income streams, right, and I rolled them into the $100 Marketing System, with the instant recall being the premier product coming through that funnel, if that makes sense. And so now we're going to talk about what's known in the industry oftentimes as a bump or an upsell. And the good thing about this, and what I like about it, is we're doing it in real time, and you guys get to step right in here, guys, at the onset of the $100 Marketing System and see in real time how you can benefit with the $100 Marketing System, how you can start creating your very own $100 days using the marketing system. So if you're on this page, I want you to read through everything that's on this page. I want you to totally understand everything that's on this page. And I want you to understand that the only thing that's standing between you and doing whatever it is you want to do is air and opportunity, right? And it's a lot of it going around, guys. Lots of air and lots of opportunity. Okay, so that's enough of that. Now, guys, let's click over here to income stream number 2 inside of my $100 Dayze marketing system, and it's known as Cash Infinity 100. With Cash Infinity 100, guys, you can actually set yourself up to start collecting $100 payments paid straight to you, by the way, via Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, and I believe Stripe is even in there as well, guys, okay? It's a one-time $100 payment, right? And when you do that, guys, you're going to be able to set yourself up with a page exactly like this one, right? And this is beautiful because it just does what it does all on its own. You will find the link for Cash Infinity 100 right inside of the website. When you have it, you're going to send me that link after you have joined myself or your particular team member who invited you to this page. You're going to go to download. It's going to simply take you over to another page. And when you do that, guys, what's going to happen is you'll see the actual PDF, right? Because that's all this is, guys, okay? And what you want to do is you want to read through that PDF. If you have any questions about anything, guys, call the 1-800 number, okay? I've spoken with this guy several times. I've emailed him 1,000,001 times at the beginning when I picked this up. I knew I wanted to use it. I didn't know exactly how. And so you'll be able to actually contact them as well. But here's the real cool thing about Cash Infinity 100. You got built-in traffic packages that you can buy right inside, right? And you also, if you don't have Cash App, guys, go here, set it up. Okay, Cash App is being used now by, I can't even remember what the statistics, what the numbers are, guys, but it's a very easy way to get paid instantly, right? Cash App. And that's one of the ways that I'm accepting money through this particular system. So what's going to happen is you'll learn all about setting up Cash App if you don't know. Of course, if you're on my page, you'll find all my contact information, right? And you can see that I got this set up to pay me through Cash App, right? I also have it set up to pay me through Zelle. Zelle's another one of those payment processes that you want to look into, guys. I set Zelle, Cash App, Venmo. I set them all up within one day, and it took me less than an hour to set them all up. So you might want to consider Zelle and Venmo as well. You can add the payment processes that you want when you actually get down to the actual ordering section when you request this page. And so you'll see some of the deals that you have on the traffic. Remember, we're talking about traffic, guys, built right into the system, right? So you're going to send that actual payment to myself or whoever invited you to this page. Guys, irregardless of whether you're seeing this any other way outside of myself, right? Whoever sent you to this page, you're going to be on their page. You won't be looking at their page, my page. You will be looking at their page. So by all means, if they're a part of this system, click that link up there. Make sure that you join under the person that sent you to this website, not myself. I'm just going through this information so you guys will understand how it works. This is about teamwork, guys, and this is how we're going to do it. Again, you can set this up through Venmo, PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, or Google Pay. Really, really cool, guys. There's an email address on here somewhere. I had it because, again, I have actually spoken to, where is it? Randy, I want to say it's Randy. It's been a minute, but I've spoken to him several times. Really nice guy, really creative guy. Reminds me a lot of myself just in terms of being a creator. But you will find all the information you need right here on this page. I know his information is on this page somewhere. So what you want to do, once you join, is send me your link, right? Send me your link to this website so that I can tie it into your replicated website, if that makes sense, right? I need all these links, guys, because I'm creating replicated websites for everybody who joins the team, right? Everybody who joins the team, I'm creating replicated websites. Anyway, you'll find the contact information His name is Rodney, guys. It's Rodney. I got his email, but this is the guy you'll be talking to. He'll set you up. Guys, you can have this thing set up probably within 25, 30 minutes, maybe no more than one day. And when you do that, then you'll be able to come back over to your actual website, right? Because remember, I'm creating replicated websites for everybody who's joining our teams, guys. So what's happening is when you get back to your actual $100 Dayze marketing system and you give me that link, I'm going to take that link and I'm going to plug it right in here, guys. So as we move through this incredible automated marketing system that I put together, this multiple income stream marketing system, I'm going to plug your links right up here, guys. Okay, 3 incredible income streams, very simple and easy price points that anybody can afford. Remember, I got sources for you guys in terms of getting the traffic, and we haven't even unlocked the traffic, the big banner ad traffic. We haven't even unlocked the login starter ad traffic, but I'm adding everything to the actual site. This is a work in progress. We're doing this in real time. You guys will see I'm going to have solo ad sources down here, sample ads for you guys. I'm doing in 100 Facebook groups for you guys. Don't remember that. We're also going to give you guys a free video downloader, guys. For all my YouTubers and Facebook people, you can take this free video downloader and take any video you want from anywhere you want, download it, and then turn around and upload it to your YouTube channel or your Facebook group. Okay? So, guys, we're really picking up a lot of momentum. Let me see. I want to congratulate, by the way, the newest member coming into the actual system. Let me see. Can I get my phone up, guys? Because every time I refresh my screen, there seems to be a new member coming through the system. And today I'm going to shout out Jack L. Casperson. Jack L. Casperson, congratulations. Big props, man, for coming in. I see you inside of the system. Now, I can't see your emails, right? You guys need to email me, right? If you're finding me on YouTube, guys, and you're coming through my $100 Dayze marketing system, or you're coming through the actual instant recall, right? Particularly for instant recall, right? You guys, in order for me to create these websites for you, right, to cookie them to you, to code them with all your links, I need you to contact me. You can come right down at the bottom of this page, guys, and you can request any page for anything that you join me in, okay? So, guys, I hope that this has got you super pumped up and excited. I hope you guys are ready. I hope that you find Cash Infinity, another one of those great high converting offers. And now that we've tied it into the $100 Dayze marketing system, we're making it even more irresistible. And guess what, guys? We're not finished yet. So look, I appreciate you guys being on the video. I thank you guys so very much. I got miles to go before I sleep, guys. I'm actually building out multiple phones as we speak. I got lots of work to do. Lots of great, crazy stuff coming up. But guys, go on, lock in your spot, either inside of instant recall, or if you're finding me or any of our team members, go on and unlock the $100 Dayze marketing system. Okay, it's a win-win situation for everybody. I appreciate you guys so very much. And by the way, ladies, if you're watching, I love those shoes. Anyway, guys, as always, this is your boy Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle with no limits. I'll meet you guys on the inside of video 3.